The U.S. economy saw its largest growth in almost 4 decades, seeing substantial growth in the final 3 months of 2021. President Biden stressed the American economy grew faster than China's for the first time in 20 years, but experts say this trend is not expected to last long. Bo-kyoung helps us look beyond the digits.
In 2021, the U.S. economy grew at its fastest rate in 37 years. A report by the Commerce Department on Thursday said the country's GDP jumped 5.7% last year. That's the biggest increase since 1984, when the figure exceeded 7%. This comes as the U.S. recorded a 6.9% annual growth rate in the fourth quarter, well above the 5.5% predicted by most economists. Since July 2020, when the U.S. experienced the peak of the first COVID-19 wave, the country's economy has grown for 6 consecutive quarters. President Biden praised the country's growth. In a statement released on the White House website, he said that during his first year in office, the country is finally building an American economy for the 21st century, not only growing at its fastest pace in nearly 4 decades, but also recording its largest job growth in history. He added that for the first time in 2 decades, the U.S. economy grew faster than China's. However, an expert says it is unclear whether the U.S. will be able to continue such a high growth rate. The main reasons for the growth were the bounce-back effect from the decline the U.S. had in 2020, the low interest rate the country has been maintaining to combat the pandemic, and the government's aggressive assistance, all of which are expected to be hard to continue.
Interest rate will rise this year. Government aid will be reduced, so the amount of spending may not be as high as it was last year. So it will be very difficult for the United States to match the growth rate of 2021 and 2022.
Meanwhile, Biden urged U.S. lawmakers to swiftly pass his administration's Build Back Better Act, which entails a $1.75 trillion investment in social programs and climate policy, saying this could help sustain the growth momentum. Bo-kyoung, Arirang News.